This quantum energy healing will help with overthinking and any stress that you're feeling. It'll help to quiet a busy mind. Clear. So if you feel like you've been kind of ruminating some old thoughts, or you feel like you have to plan everything to try to consciously or subconsciously control situations, or you just wanted to think more positively or just quiet the mind, this quantum energy healing will help with that. Okay, and my name is Nami. I'm the quantum energy healer and hypnotherapist who helps you shift your identity, raise your frequency, and step into alignment with your highest self. And what you can do is just in your mind, circle the area of your body that you feel this stress, the overthinking, and the emotions that are associated with the overthinking in your mind. Just circle the area of your body where you feel that the most and set the intention to release that energy. We'll also be specifically working with the head because this area is where a lot of thoughts come in. Our thoughts are not in our brain. Our brain is just the little antenna that tunes into thoughts. And any thoughts that you don't want, you don't have to have, because our thoughts are not our own. They're little energetic frequencies that we tune into, and they only become ours if we choose to identify with them, or we end up having a little bit of a subconscious program that sort of embeds itself in our subconscious mind. But guess what? The good thing is we can clear all those things out, all those negative thoughts and emotions out, simply because they are energy. Clear, release, release. Clear. There we go. Clear. Nice. Clear. Clear. Release. Take a nice deep breath in. Hold it. And breathe on out. There we go. Nice. And we're going to do another one of those. Take a nice deep breath in. Hold it. Breathe on out. Beautiful. Release. You can also just set the intention to release any subconscious or conscious fear that may be kind of contributing to the program of having to overthink everything or overanalyze everything to feel safe. Safety comes from inside your body first, not when you are trying to predict the outcome of something that may or may not happen. Just allow yourself to loosen any grip that you have on your external reality right now, and just in this moment, let yourself soften. Just take a nice deep breath. Clear. All we have is the present moment. And when you can anchor more into that and allow yourself to acknowledge your fears, feel your fears, and just know that they're just forms of energy. Fear is usually a little protection mechanism. It's not a bad thing. It just becomes a little bit of a hindrance when it's chronic. And we're going to disrupt those negative thought loops now. That overthinking mind now, and relieve this stress. Clear. Released. Clear. Clear. Okay, we're going to go in here, in the throat and heart area. But again, wherever you circle in your mind, that's where we will pull if you're wanting to work on a different area, okay? Clear. Release. There we go. Clear. Excuse me, if you have any body purging, like any belchies or excessive yawning or any crying or any coughing or anything else, that is a sign of the energy releasing. Excuse me. Clear. Clear. Nice. Collapse. 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 Ooh, there's some energy coming in, collapse, around generational trauma and timelines or like kind of realities that you don't really need to be kind of connecting with. Relax, release, sorry. Relax, release, similar. Clear. Clear. Whoa. Wasn't expecting that. Release. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Clear. Release. Release. Clear. All right, let's put some energy in. We're going to bring some energy of serenity, peace, and calm, deep body relaxation, and nervous system relaxation. Activate that parasympathetic nervous system for rest and digest. So I'd like you to just speak to the subconscious mind now. Just say in your mind, that's how you speak to the subconscious mind, is just say things in your mind. Just say now, nervous system, relax. Nervous system, rest and digest. Because the subconscious mind can't do anything but absorb and take commands. And when you tell it something, it sends a signal to the body to respond to that command. So when you say nervous system, relax, and nervous system, rest and digest, it begins to send that signal to your body to carry out that command. Clear. Relax. Rest and digest. What I'd like you to do is just imagine a version of you. Get a version of you in your mind and imagine this version of you as relaxing deeply. You can see them lying down on the beach, on a sofa, in their dream house, wherever they are. Just imagine this version of you looking so relaxed, fully present, admiring the environment around them, and most importantly, feeling so good inside themselves. See the expression on their face, the relaxation of the muscles in their body, their posture, the softness of their muscles. See how deeply they breathe. And now what I'd like you to do is float on into that version of you, embodying that version of you, and see what you see as this version of you. Hear what you hear as this version of you, and feel how good you feel to be this even more relaxed version of you in the present moment, peaceful and calm, with a quiet mind. Relax. Rest and digest. A lot of the times as well, if we're around other people who have a busy mind and we have a busy mind, and where you're open to people who also might just be big warriors, you end up connecting with that energy. You end up sharing that energy. And again, your thoughts and emotions are energy. Therefore, you share that stuff depending on the people who you're around and how you identify with your external environment. And just know that you can shift your external environment to your internal space. And that's where you need to be seeking for the shift first, is from internally, even if it's a little bit. Because when you shift internally, it shows up in your external world. Clear. Okay, we're going to clear a little bit of stuff out the ears now, because depending on what things were said to you when you were younger, by the people around you, by your society, those words and messages and phrases all kind of go into our subconscious mind as children, because when we're children, our subconscious mind is wide open. So we absorb a lot and deem things to be true that really aren't. And we can absorb other people's fears, other people's ways of thinking. We're just allowing yourself to clear that out now, removing that energy from your ears of stories and beliefs and things that people have said that aren't true, that are rooted in limitation or fear or worry or disempowerment. Just releasing that now. Clear. Release. There you go. Nice. So if you think about all the people who may have said things that weren't that favorable to you, weren't very nice to you, just set the intention, I release that now. It's just energy. It's just programming. I choose not to identify with it. And as soon as you choose not to identify with it, loosens up, lets on go, dissolve, clear. All right. right. All right. That was your quantum healing for overthinking and a little stress in the body. Let me know how you feel in the comments. Hopefully, your mind is a little quieter now. And you can listen to this as many times as you need until you feel better. It shouldn't take too long. Anyway, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. I love you, appreciate you. Okay, bye.